Our breath is a channel between the body and the mind, and pranayama is a practice of breath control in yoga. It's a Sanskrit word where prana means life force and yama means to regulate, control, or expand. The ancient yogis believed that we are born with a certain number of breaths, and if one expertise in the art of breathing, one will be able to live longer and healthier. Thus, it is up to us how we use or choose our breath wisely. So, before commencing this practice, I would like to highlight few important points. Best time to practice is early in the morning around 3:30 to 5 am, which is Brahma Muhurat, on an empty stomach. If you do it any time later, then just have 3 hours of gap after heavy meal. Try to do this after a post-workout or an asana practice with good relaxation, or at least stretch your body nicely, do a complete body warm-up so that you have an unrestricted flow of energy. Make a habit to do nasal passage cleansing or air passage cleansing by Jalaniti and Kapalabhati. Then try to do it indoors in a well ventilated space so that we don't inhale any kind of dust particles. Then make sure that you're wearing some loose and comfortable clothes so that it's easy for you to breathe and expand your lungs nicely. Then try not to make any jerky or forceful movement of your breath. And lastly, keep your spine tall and erect. Make sure that your abdomen is in normal contour and there is no strain on any parts of the body, especially our facial muscle. Today, we will learn equal breathing pranayama, and it's an excellent way to start one's practice. It's developed to enhance awareness and improve the vital capacity of breathing. The best part is everyone can do this practice. Ideal method to start is by standing, keeping 1 feet distance between their feet. One can also do it while sitting by taking any meditative comfortable posture of their choice, which could be Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Then if one is not able to sit or stand on ground, then they can sit on chair, keeping their spine nicely erect and feet grounded on the floor. Just try avoid doing it on the bed so that unless you have any major health issues. So once you have taken your posture, like today I'm sitting in Sukhasana, my hands are on my thighs, my elbows is nicely relaxed, shoulder is relaxed, chin is parallel to the ground. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Just fix your gaze in one point in front of you, which is unmoving point. And we'll begin to slowly and gently bring our attention towards our breath. We will focus the how we are breathing, how is our inhalation and exhalation. We will try to maintain the count equal. For example, you can do 2:2 or 3:3. One can even increase it as per their capacity and practice. There is no holding or suspension of breath in this practice. So, I will just show you one round where I am sitting comfortably and I will close my eyes. So here I was doing 2:2 count, which makes one whole round. This way you can practice 4 to 5 rounds in a day. Now I will tell few benefits of this particular pranayama. It is extremely good to create mindfulness, enhance concentration. It removes any kind of impurities from the body. It purifies the energy pathway. It helps to reduce any kind of impulsive behavior and increases stamina and energy levels in body and mind. Thus, there is no doubt with regular and sustained practice of pranayama, not only it will supercharge your body, but it will make your practice deep and help you for better meditation. Thank you.